Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Toffee. Today I am going to show you how to write a simple Hello World application in Python using PyCharm. So in the previous video we installed PyCharm Community Edition and we started it. Now to write a simple Hello World application, just click on New Project. It will ask you for the location. Write Hello Tech Toffee. So in the Python interpreter, create a new virtual environment. So just see that the Python exe is selected in the base interpreter. Click on create. So it is started creating a virtual environment. So uncheck this show tips once this virtual environment is creation is completed. So you can see the tips here, or you can just uncheck this and click on close, make it full screen. So here is your project window. You can hide and unhide this. Just click on this, click on virtual environment. You will see include library, scripts, and all those things. So what we are going to do here is we are going to create a new Python file. So we'll name it tech toffee hello. So it will automatically create a py file. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to write print hello tech toffee, and just for better viewing I'll increase the font. Go to settings, go to editor, font, just increase the size to say 24. Click OK. So this size is increased. Now to run this program, what we have to do is it's still indexing the file, so we have to wait till it's completed. Just click on run, click on run again, then it will show edit configuration of tech toffee hello. Just click on tech toffee hello and it will automatically show a console window where it will show you what you have right in the print statement. So this is the basic hello world Python program using PyCharm. Thank you everyone.